Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by draining 150 Oz can of Garbanzo beans and reserving 2 to 3 tablespoons of the starchy liquid. This controls texture later. Rinse briefly to remove can flavor, then pinch off a few skins if you want silkier hummus. Next, add measured tahini, lemon juice, and a crushed garlic clove to your food processor. This upfront balancing of acid and fat is key because it defines the final flavor and mouthfeel as you blend. Once your base ingredients are in the processor, pulse on low for 30 to 45 seconds to break the beans down. While the motor runs, stream in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 to 4 tablespoons of the reserved bean liquid to create an emulsion. This step explains why hummus becomes creamy rather than grainy. Make sure to stop, scrape the bowl, and taste for salt. Adjust gradually so you don't overshoot and mask the lemon and tahini. To finish, test texture and add 1 tablespoon of cold water or the reserved liquid at a time until it spreads smoothly. Chilling for 30 minutes melds flavors. Spoon into a bowl, drizzle with a teaspoon of olive oil, sprinkle paprika and parsley, and serve. If your hummus is grainy or stiff, there's a quick fix. Reblend with a tablespoon of hot water and another tablespoon of oil to loosen the emulsion, then taste and correct seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.